Hi everyone, and welcome to another tutorial from St. George Philly website. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload photos from an event to our website. In this tutorial, unlike last tutorial where I showed you how to post or how to create a posting on the website, this one is going to be a little more involved, so I'd recommend you check out the first tutorial before trying this one. So the first thing we're going to do is just to show an example of what the final product will look like. Here's a college event that we've posted photos for. The photos will appear at the bottom here of your post, and they're gonna, if you click on any photo, you're gonna see this pop-up dialog where it's nice and you can navigate through the photos like this, next, and previous. And then you can go back by closing. This is pretty much what it will look like. To actually upload those type of photos, that many photos, or photos from an event, we're going to need to use a website called Flickr. We don't actually upload it directly through, like we did in the last tutorial. So first step I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Flickr website. I'm just going to click here. So we went to flickr.com, Flickr.com, and basically we're going to log in here. There's a sign in button, link at the top, and you're going to sign in with St. George Philly account, which is a Yahoo account ID, and the password is going to be given to you by the administrators. Once you sign in, you're going to have access to our photos. So there you are, you're at the home page for Flickr, you're signed in. The next step is we're going to upload the photos that we took from that event. So I'm going to click on the Upload Photos and Video link. And then here you can choose photos and videos, which is, you're going to choose that, select them from your machine. So I'm just going to go here to where I have the photos. Obviously you're going to have the photos on your own folders. I'm just going to select a few photos that I took here from the church icons that are very nice. You can just click multi-select by clicking down on the control and left-clicking each image. So here are some of the images I took. That's good enough. I'm just going to click open after that, and then you're going to see here that Flickr is going to start. Actually, scroll to the bottom and click on Upload Photos and Videos. And as you're going to observe here as Flickr starts uploading all these photos. Just give it a minute till it does that. Make sure you upload only the best photos from the event. Don't try to upload everything so that it doesn't take up a lot of space on our Flickr account. As you can see, we only have 100 megabytes upload limit per month. So, okay, so I'm just gonna, once you're done, once you're finished, click on Add a Description at the bottom, which is a link here. And then this is a really important step because we have to combine all these photos into one set. Okay, that's really important to note here. And then, so to do that, you click here. It says Add to a Set. Click to the right. It says Create a New Set. And then we're just going to call it Church Icons. And you can give it a description. That's not important. Click on Create Set, and then scroll to the bottom, and make sure you click Save. You can also add descriptions up here if you want to add a description to each photo. Just click Save when you're done. And that's really important. So once you've clicked Save, it takes you back, and you can actually see to the right here, this is the set we just created. It says it has 7 photos in it, and it's called Church Icons. I'm going to go ahead and click on that set. And the important step here is to make sure you capture or copy the set ID. And the set ID you're going to find at the top in the address bar. It's part of the URL. It's the last number in that URL. So I'm going to right-click and copy that and save it for the record. Just save it in Notepad. And let me just go back again to our St. George website. We're done with Flickr. So we've uploaded the photos on Flickr. Now we just need to go to our website and create a posting. So I'm going to, similar to what we did in the last tutorial, go to the admin link and log into the site using either the administrator username, password, or the password we've provided you. And then click on New Post at the top here. And I'm just going to call it Church Icons also. And here the some icons from church. Okay. And I'm just gonna, instead of clicking on upload photos here, because we're embedding photos from Flickr this time, what we're gonna do is there's an interesting piece of code that we're gonna borrow, and it's called, just go back here, and basically you just copy and paste this code. You can find this code at the bottom of this YouTube video. I've actually put it in the description, but this code basically just says Flickr-gallery mode equals photoset and photoset equals, and then you type in that ID that we copied. So let me just make sure I get the ID of that set, which is again, it's the ID here from this URL, the long number, and just copy and paste that, and you're pretty much set. So what this does is you can put any description here of this event, and then you can just, once by placing this code, you're going to embed all the photos, and let's see what it looks like. Just going to scroll to the bottom here. There's other options. Just gonna, you can allow comments so that people can post comments about the event, and you can enable the post expirator, so you can say expire this post so that, you know, by the 13th, you know, it comes off the website automatically. I'm just going to make sure it's news also, select news, and when you're ready, select publish. You can obviously add your own images. If you want to upload an actual image, you can do that still. That's not a problem. You can add a video, a YouTube video link by clicking on add video, or you can just go directly and click publish. Okay, so while it's publishing right now, we're just, let's do that again. There we go. Okay, so it's published that post. Let's go to the website to check the post again. You can click here, or just go to www.stchurchphilly.com. And here you go. You'll notice that the church icons is the new posting, and it's at the top of the website. The first post, the most recent, and you can actually click on each individual photo, and you'll see it in a pop-up window, and it's nice and clear, and you can navigate through, and then you can click close when you're done, or you can click anywhere to close out of it. And that's it. That's how you can post multiple images from an event to the site. If you want to delete it, or let's add another picture. So I'll show you another trick here. So I'm just going to click back to admin, and I'm going to click on the photos, the post itself. I'm going to click posts, and here's the post that we just made. I'm just going to edit it, and here's one more trick I'll show you. If there's an image, let's say you posted an image on Flickr, or one of these images on Flickr, and you want to make that appear right here as a large image. You can do that by you go back to Flickr, and let's say I like this picture, which is the stained glass. So when you click on the picture, click on all sizes to view more information, and it will show you the picture. Just scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see here, grab the photos URL. Just grab that URL and copy it. Okay, and then go back to the post, and then just click on upload, insert, and add an image, and then click from URL, and then in the image URL just paste that actual URL, and that's it. And you can just align it so that it can be aligned around the text or on its own, and then just basically, if you just tap anywhere else or click anywhere else, it's going to allow you, it's going to check that the photo is okay, and it will give you a green checkbox. check here, and then just click on Insert into Post, and that's it. Here's the image. It's big and it's in the post. You can obviously resize it manually just by clicking on the image and then dragging the corners, and it's resized. So now you have an image, and then you have the photo gallery below it. Update, click Update the post, and the post should be available now. Let's go check it out. And here it is. As you can see, you have the image and the photo gallery at the bottom. So this is a nice way if you have any kind of high school or college or other events going on at church that you've taken a lot of pictures from, like New Year's Eve, and you wanted to post that. This is the way to do it. Alright, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks very much for helping out with the website, and God bless.